Welcome to my greenhouse plants. As you can see, my peace lily plants is not very good condition. I think too much water on it, so it's my mistake. It was very good condition before. During summer it's flowering all the time, but at the moment looks unhealthy really. So what I should do, I'm gonna revive my house plants, because as you can see guys, my peace lily is not very good condition, and also including this one. I don't know what it is, but both need repotting really. So I buy this compost for today in the garden center. So I hope it helps for my peace lily plants. Peace lily, you want to revive? I'm gonna revive you. Ooh. Now guys, I put here my peace lily plants. So I use now my new soil that I bought today from the garden center.
Medyo nakakapagod, feeling tired, but it's enjoyable. It's an enjoyable hobby guys. So from this pot, I put it here. I transfer it here. It's much better because this pot is not growing quite good. So I put it here. I transfer it here. So my prayer plant, regarding my prayer plants, I will not plant it yet because I think it's too early. I give a chance to grow where it was. So at the moment, it's in the glass. Okay, and then ilin mo lang siya. Put pebbles at the top. Pang decoration lang yun. So pwede na rin sa pag water ka ng iyong plants, it will dry quickly. Kasi may mga pebbles at the top. So see guys, ayun na. Ayan, mga decoration ko yan. It's up to you guys what you put in your plants. But my suggestion is, don't put anything that it can harm your plants, okay? So seek advice if you're not really sure, okay? But for these plants, it's for my own opinion, okay? But anyway, it tasted to me that it grows nicely once the plant is very long after. Okay, happy plants. But this one, I think I need to leave it for a while until it dry, then I will take it off. Because actually, they grow here all the time. Actually, this one is a new plants. This is a new one came out. This one. Hi! Heart day!